Hi, I'm going to show you how to create phone verified Gmail accounts automatically using our Easy software tool. First of all, open the software and import the list of some random name in a CSV file. Names should be listed one per line, which looks like this. Same way, import the listed random surnames in a CSV file. Software will automatically pick them randomly and create accounts for you. Passwords will be generated automatically. Now also import list of some emails in a CSV file, which will be used as a recovery email or current email while creating accounts. Now set the output file path location where you want to save your new created accounts. Then set the limit, how many accounts you want to create. Now, one per setting, we need to sign up and get a SMS verification service, which is cheapest as 5 cents each SMS verification. If you don't have an account, then click here to sign up or go to this link. Simply sign up and recharge some balance. And then copy that username and token here, and you are done. Now get back to Main tab. We're ready. Hit the Start button. Now you can see the new window opens and loads account sign-up page. It is filling auto-generated details. Goes to Next. Fills virtual phone number for SMS verification. Also gets SMS code automatically. Verified. Now you can see the fully verified account is created successfully. It saves all the information in output file and goes to create more accounts. You can see the output file. I've imported in an Excel for better view. It has the username, password, recovery email, first name, last name, date of birth, virtual phone number, used to verify, and SMS code for in case if you need it in future. You can create as many accounts as you want. Use our software tool. It takes less than 30 seconds to create an account. It uses AutoSmart Proxy IP system to create bulk accounts. Isn't it a perfect tool? So what are you waiting for? Go! Download now. The download link is on the description.